made a huge sack. On the way to the Gold Island, the older brother and the magical bird argued loudly because it was far and hot. At the island, the older brother shouted with joy, "Awesome!" Then he stuffed gold into the giant sack until it was full. The magical bird told him to take some out. Of course, the older brother refused. But the gold was too heavy. The magical bird couldn't fly. Angrily, it said, "Too heavy. I'll let you relax in the middle of the sea. Goodbye." The bird dropped him on the Gold Island.